Ever wondered about exploring a place that is rich in history, brimming with natural beauty, and pulsating with a vibrant food and shopping scene? Welcome to Cebu, one of the Philippines' most significant historical sites, and a gem of Southeast Asia. Cebu's rich history is rooted in its centuries-old role as a vital seaport, a hub of trade and commerce throughout the region. Its historic allure is further accentuated by some of the oldest churches in the region and numerous UNESCO World Heritage Sites. A walk through Cebu is like stepping back in time, where every corner reveals a piece of the past and every street echoes a tale of cultural heritage. But Cebu is not just about history. Its natural attractions are equally captivating. Imagine basking on pristine white sand beaches, with a view of nearby islands such as Bohol or Palawan. Picture yourself snorkeling, diving, or island hopping around Mactan Island and Olongo Island, where tropical mangroves teem with vibrant wildlife. And for those who prefer a serene retreat, a visit to the breathtaking Kawasan Falls, nestled amidst lush green forests, promises a tranquil respite. From history and nature, we move on to the gastronomic delights that Cebu has to offer. The city's food scene is a paradise for foodies. Whether it's the classic Filipino lechon, succulent roasted pork, or the savory sisig, there's something for every palate. And if you're in the mood for global cuisines, you're in for a treat with options ranging from Thai to Japanese. But don't forget to sample the city's street food barbecued skewers, lumpia, and the sweet halo are a must-try. And what's an exploration without a bit of shopping? Cebu offers a plethora of shopping districts, where you can find everything from locally crafted souvenirs to designer fashion items. So there you have it, Cebu, a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new, where history and nature coexist harmoniously, and where food and shopping add color to the vibrant tapestry of experiences. Whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, a foodie, or a shopaholic, Cebu has something for everyone. So when are you packing your bags?